Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Kenmore washing machine and it's giving you a CA error and you're wondering what's going on and what you can do to get rid of it. The CA error, most of the time that you get this error, it's going to be because it's too hard, there's too much resistance when it's trying to spin, and that's going to be because you've overloaded the machine. So, this is a pretty simple thing. All you need to do is hit the stop cancel to clear the error out. And once you've done that, open the machine and just take a handful of items out and then close it and restart the cycle and see if that doesn't clear out the error. Now, hopefully that will clear out the error. If it doesn't clear out the error, you're getting into more potentially serious issues that you're probably going to need to call a professional to look at. But most of the time this happens, it's just going to be because you've overloaded the washing machine and you just need to take some items out. So anyways, hope this video helped. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.